Welcome back to another episode of Python programming. Meet Ethan again. He used to write computer programs using COBOL, Pascal, C, C++, Java and C#. He has just started to learn Python. It's a much easier computer programming language. It's a code to communicate with the computer to tell the computer what to do. Now, Ethan has a question about Python code.
Why is there no variable declaration in Python?
Let me explain why he's confused. In Pascal, C, C++, Java, C# and whole bunch of other programming languages, variables must be declared before you can use them. That means, you must let the computer know that, hey, I'm going to use this variable. Please remember it now. Oh, a variable is basically a data that you want to store. An example of a variable in an integer which allows you to store a number. In Python, it's so simple, just use the variable. You don't need to announce in advance that you are going to use it. When you use it to do a calculation, for example, that means, hey, I'm using this variable, and this is how I am using it. It's a common error to forget variable declarations in programming languages like C++ or Java. Back to Ethan's question.
Why is there no variable declaration in Python?
A better question is, why do you need to declare them in the first place? When a variable is used, the Python interpreter is smart enough to know how to allocate space in the memory for it, and the type of variable that you are using. Based on how you use the variable, it knows whether it is a number or a letter. With a smart interpreter, you don't need variable declarations to complicate your code. Less typing means less errors. Ethan is so happy with Python now. He doesn't need to bother about variable declarations anymore. Because he often forgets to declare his variables, he adapts easily to this syntax. This simple Python rule amazes him. He can focus more on the logic of the code. There are lesser rules to follow. Cheers to no variable declarations in Python. With Python, everyone can code. If you wish to learn more, click on the link below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. As always, happy coding.